Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks and Tricks, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to buy Dinopark token. I already have it here, Dinopark. I just have a little quantity of Dinopark, and now you can buy Dinopark from Pancakeswap into your Trust wallet. All you need to do is you need to get the contract address of Dinopark. Now I have a WhatsApp group where we get updates on new tokens, and we just buy those tokens and we keep them so that when they pump we make money from them. We do our research, we do quality research before selecting token. And somebody said buy Dinopark, please. If you don't buy any coin today, just make sure you buy Dinopark. So because of that, I did the research and I felt okay, let me just have this token. And this is the contract address here. All you need to do is to copy the contract address. When you copy the contract address, you come to your Trust wallet. On the top of your Trust wallet, the extreme right, you're going to see two icons like a circle and a line, that two facing each other. You click on it. When you click on it, you go straight to the end. You go straight to the end and you click on add custom token. Now you change your network to BEP20 because Dinopark is in BEP20. Since you've copied that contract address, you paste. I'm going to put a link to this contract address in the description. Now you're going to fill this manually. Dinopark, that's the name. Dinopark, and the symbol is Dino. The decimal is 18. So the symbol is Dino, DINO, and the decimal is 18. You click on add. When you click on add, it will be added. Dinopark, I already have it, so this is it. Dinopark, I already have it. This blue is supposed to show. If this blue is on, you're good to go. And the next thing you're going to do is you scroll down, you look down. You don't even need to scroll down. On the bottom, you see wallet, you see the apps, you click on the apps. If you click on the apps, you scroll down to popular, you see Pancakeswap, you click on Pancakeswap. So you're going to buy this Dino from Pancakeswap and it's going to reflect in your Trust wallet. When you click on Pancakeswap, you see pancakeswap.finance, you allow it load. Now you see your Trust wallet symbol is on the top. If it's not Trust wallet, click on it, change it to Trust wallet. That symbol on the top before those top three dots. Make sure it is showing Binance Chain. It's showing the Binance Smart Chain logo. Then straight down here in this place, you're going to see a code OXE3. If the thing is showing connect, is not showing code, that means your Trust wallet is not connected. You cannot buy. So all you need to do is to click on it, and when you click on the connect, it will bring out Metamask, Trust wallet, and everything. Click on Trust wallet. Your Trust wallet will connect if you are using your Trust wallet. Then the next thing, this swap. You want to swap, so you see exchange. This exchange, you click on this exchange, you click on the settings. Right, when you click on the settings, you change it, you edit it to 11%. If 11% doesn't work at the end, you change it to 12, but for now let's stick with 11. When you click on 11%, you will now, the next thing you're going to do is you select automatically your Binance, your BNB is going to be selected. But if this BNB is not showing, from you click on search, you see BNB is always number one. You click on BNB. Make sure your money is on Binance Smart Chain, BNB. If your money is not on Binance Smart Chain, BNB, I have done a video on how you can transfer money from your account to your Binance Smart Chain account, so make sure you watch that video. Then the next thing is store the wallet you're transferring to. You click on select a currency. You click on select a currency and you paste. When you paste, you're going to see the name comma Dino added by user. You click on it. When you click on it, you select the amount of Dino you want to buy. Right? I already have Dino in my balance, so I'm not buying more. But let's say I want to buy 0.0035 Dino. I click on 0.0035 Dino. Then insufficient liquidity for this trade. That means the money is too low. So I can change it to 0.002. Yeah, you can see I can swap now. If I want to buy 0.002 Dino, of which I'm not buying, you click on swap. If you click on swap, it will show you confirm 0.002 Dino for so amount, this and this and this. You click on it and you bring the amount that will be debited from your account. You click on confirm and your Dino the transaction will go. Once it is successful, all you need to do is you would close your Pancakeswap, click on your Trust Wallet, scroll to where your Dino is. You can search for your Dino token, right? Dino. You click on it and you will see the amount here, which shows that you've been able to fund your Dino. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn our bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this on new tokens you can buy, you can be among the first to see it. And if you have any challenge, please make sure you let me know so that I can show you how you can go about it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.